The Colorado Rocky Mountain region stands as a premier tourist destination, attracting visitors from around the world each year, particularly during the summer months. Renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, the area boasts towering peaks, lush forests, and a myriad of outdoor recreational opportunities. The Rocky Mountains, with their rugged beauty and dramatic elevations, offer a perfect escape for those seeking adventure and tranquility in nature's embrace. Visitors to this majestic region can explore an extensive network of hiking trails that wind through dense pine forests, across alpine meadows, and up to panoramic viewpoints that showcase the grandeur of the mountains. Whether you're an experienced hiker looking for a challenging trek or a casual walker seeking a leisurely stroll, there's a trail for everyone. Popular routes include the Maroon Bells, Mount Elbert, and the Continental Divide Trail, each offering unique perspectives of the stunning terrain. Camping enthusiasts will find numerous campgrounds nestled in picturesque settings, providing an ideal base for stargazing, storytelling around a campfire, and immersing in the serene natural environment. These campgrounds range from developed sites with amenities to more primitive, backcountry spots for those who prefer a rugged experience. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping, the fresh mountain air filling your lungs, and the sight of the sun rising over the peaks. The Colorado Rockies are also home to a diverse array of wildlife, including elk, deer, black bears, and an abundance of bird species. Wildlife watching is a popular activity, with many opportunities to spot these creatures in their natural habitats. Rocky Mountain National Park, for instance, is a prime location for observing elk and bighorn sheep. Always remember to maintain a respectful distance and follow guidelines to ensure both your safety and the well-being of the animals. In addition to the natural beauty, the area offers a variety of outdoor activities, such as fishing in crystal clear mountain streams, mountain biking on challenging trails, and rock climbing on sheer granite faces. Anglers will appreciate the abundance of trout in the rivers and lakes, while bikers can enjoy trails like the Monarch Crest Trail and the Colorado Trail for climbers. The famous Flatirons near Boulder provide exhilarating routes. During the summer, the region comes alive with vibrant wildflowers that carpet the hillsides, creating a stunning contrast against the evergreen forests and snow-capped peaks. The warm weather and long days provide the perfect conditions for exploring the outdoors, making it an ideal time for family vacations, solo adventures, and group excursions. Festivals and events also add to the summer charm, from music festivals to outdoor concerts and local craft fairs. The towns and cities nestled in the Rockies, such as Aspen, Vail, and Estes Park, offer a blend of modern amenities and rustic charm.